Swytch can be, I think, an interesting parable for a lot of what we've all gone through. At the beginning of the whole hype cycle, the market wanted all of these companies to solve everything. Like you had to build, you had to change the economics of the world, you had to change the nature of climate, you had to build technology, and you had to have everybody on board. And everybody had to believe this because everybody was in these enormous valuations. In this world, I think we're behaving kind of like an enterprise software company in the sense that Swytch is building a mechanism that allows people who are producing energy to account for it and report it and then create a kind of a global open ledger for it.
Yeah, I mean, that's exactly right. I think that it does feel like an enterprise services company, enterprise software company, and we've spent the last 6 months building just that, right? And taking apart what we're actually trying to accomplish instead of saying, oh, we got to build a scalable blockchain that has full decentralization, a full in-platform economy. What are we actually trying to accomplish? And that's exactly what you mentioned. Is we're starting to build the building blocks and have built the building blocks on how on our final edge case and our final use case. But we're getting, we're actually doing things that are practical, that are required in the real world today, and that solve a real problem today, and do it in a place that is cheaper, faster, more secure, safer, more trusted, and actually needed, right?
So let's talk about why that's important. What we've built here, and what we'll find in a moment is being deployed by a bunch of initial partners, is as you're building energy, you need to know what energy is being created where, when, how that gets reported, how that is openly shared, and why, when you add all that up with a global view, you can take actions on it that you couldn't before.